In this video, we will look into what are sovereign gold bonds. In short, they are the best investment scheme that you can go for in case you are thinking of investing in gold. Rather than investing in physical gold, this is having additional benefits. We will look into each and everything in detail in the coming sections. We will get some idea about who is the issuer of this bond, and then the benefits that we are going to get out of investing in sovereign gold bond, who are all allowed to apply for this particular scheme, the limitations which come with the scheme, and then the taxation benefit on this bond. All these details will be shown in the next section. First we will see who is the issuer of this bond. It is being issued by the Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India. From this we can clearly identify this is one of the safest investment that we can make in India. That is the reason the people always go for investing in sovereign gold bond in case they think of investing in gold rather than buying physical gold and then keeping at home. In the next section, we will look into what are the benefits we are going to get out of investing in this sovereign gold bond over physical gold. The first major benefit that we are going to get, we do not need to pay the locker fee to the bank. In case you buy physical gold, you cannot keep it at home. So what you normally do, you go and get the locker in bank and then pay yearly fee for keeping your jewelry safe. In this case, you are going to be issued a certificate. You can just store it in your email. And the major advantage is that there is no fear of getting theft at your home. Since it is a certificate, you can just use the certificate at the end of the maturity term to get your money back. In the next section, we will see what are the advantages of investing in sovereign gold bonds. The major advantage is that you will be getting 2.5% interest rate on the money that you have invested in the gold bond, which will be paid half yearly. So you will be getting the money 2 times in a year, which is going to be 2.5% of what you have invested, which you will be getting for the maturity term. It means you will be getting the money for next 8 years. The major advantage is that as the price of gold moves higher, we will be getting that advantage. Consider you have invested around 2 lakh rupees today in sovereign gold bond. After 8 years, you may get around 40 to 50% increase in the money that you invested. Gold price will appreciate over time, that we already know. If you want more information, you can look into the historical performance of the gold in India, which will clearly show you how it has improved a lot in the over past 10 years. The third advantage that you are going to get out of this is that you will be able to trade your sovereign gold bond in secondary market. In case you have taken your sovereign gold bond in demat form, if you haven't taken the demat form, this option is not available. You will be able to sell your bond anytime you want to another person and then get your benefit. The major advantage that I am thinking out of this scheme is it's a long-term investment. Your money will be secured for 8 years and you will be getting gold price appreciation, which will be lump sum at the end of the year. After 8 years, when you get the maturity amount, you can use it for any good purpose. For example, you can use it for your child's marriage or their higher education. Now we will see who are all applicable to apply for it. You have to be an Indian individual resident, and the trust, universities and charitable institutions are allowed to apply for it. The thing to consider is that NRIs are not allowed to apply for sovereign gold bond. Let's see the restrictions involved in this scheme. The first one is regarding the maximum and minimum grams allowed to buy. Minimum you can invest from 1 gram onwards. Maximum you can go up to 4000 grams, which is equivalent to 4 kg of gold. The second point that we need to note is maturity and premature period. The bond will mature in 8 years by default. If you want to take the money beforehand, you have to wait for at least 5 years and then get the money. From 5 years onwards, you can take your money anytime. After 5 years, you can take your money at the end of 6th, 7th or 8th year. Next, we will look into what are the taxation involved in the scheme. The 2.5% interest that you are going to get every year, it's going to be taxable based on your tax slab rate. That is something that we have to note. Since it's a long-term investment, whatever maturity amount that you are going to get at the end of 8th year, that amount is going to be fully tax-free. You can use that money to buy physical gold at the end of your term. Thanks guys, I will see you in the next video.